How to change shipping address on Shein after placing an order. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can change the shipping address on Shein after you have placed an order. So without any delay, let's begin with the process on how we can do it. But before doing so, make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and make sure to watch this video till the end in order to understand the process. So first of all, you may just launch your Shein application if you are on a mobile device. After that, you'll be able to see this kind of interface after you have logged in into your account. After you have logged in into your account, in order to go on with the process of changing your shipping address, you just need to go to the Me tab after you have placed your order, and here you'll be able to see my orders, processing, shipped, and different options. You're just gonna go to the unpaid section. After going there, you'll be able to find all of your orders, unpaid, processing, shipped, and all of those products. So in order to change the shipping address, you can easily find the edit address, but you can only change the address of the shipping address of that product if the order is in the process of processing. Like if the order has not been fully processed, then that is only the way you can change the address. You may just go to edit address and change your address, shipping address, and confirm it, and you should be able to do it very easily. So just go on with the process of doing so, and you should be able to change your shipping address. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.